What's in my bag? The pollution edition. Okay, so the primary and the first thing, water, hydration, super important to clear out toxins from the body. Then comes a family of cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, bok choy, all of those things, which has a very potent antioxidant called sulforaphane, which helps in clearing out toxins from the body. Then we have mix of seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, all of these are tiny seeds but powerhouse of micronutrients like zinc, chromium, magnesium. All of these are super important in today's time. Then we have sweet potato. A rich source of beta carotene, again a powerful antioxidant which helps in reducing the inflammation in the body. Then we have all the green leafy vegetables which are there in this season. Rich source of chlorophyll which helps in fighting off free radical damage. Then what else we have? Okay, so my favorite, we have a group of fruits which have very rich antioxidant in them, that's called quercetin, and even this also. So red grapes, onion, pomegranate, all of these things, or even apple also is a source of quercetin, which again helps in fighting off the inflammation in the body. Very important one, the source of vitamin C, amla and guava. They are one of the richest sources of vitamin C, helps in reducing the inflammation and is very important in today's scenario. Not the last one, but a treasure of lot of compounds which helps in clearing out the congestion, the respiratory congestion primarily. This is the raw turmeric which you get in the season. It's very rich in curcumin, and this is ginger, rich in gingerol. These are very important compounds to be added in today's scenario. Can you guess the last one? Very important. This is super important. You cannot move out without this, right? So, अगर pollution से करना है fight, तो ठीक करनी पड़ेगी diet. And we have also compiled a list of foods and practices to be done to fight off the pollution. So, if you want that, comment PDF below. Thank you.